some kind of error with the SD card. Says this time no SD card insert.
Let the air out of the, water out of the air compressor.
Knock the camera over.
We'll try to, we need to take
Hey everybody, one day we're gonna get this thing called a YouTube channel and we're gonna make it big because we're gonna record everything. Y'all, we're here for the breakfast live today, Sunday. You know I'm not.
Just put this clip of us doing this first in the video.
Oh, yeah.
And then
Steven said this would be the good.
How we got here. And
You
the
might be
clip
wondering
I
how we
sent
got
you,
ourselves in
play
this
that
situation.
as you're saying that.
Yeah, then you might be asking yourself, how did we get in this predicament?
Are you ready for your first turn of the day?
Yes, sir. I've waited. Now we don't know whether she goes hard or not. We don't have
Hey, here we go.
I gotta get better because I gotta go to Cletus and Cars.
Are you ready? Hey everybody, this is gonna be documentation.
Man versus tree, I took the fall. A wooden giant stood so tall. Now I'm cracked like a porcelain doll. Wheels keep spinning, but I don't move. Pain ain't forever, I've got something to prove. Trees down for good.
feels so much better than the show.
I heard Maggie was unsure at first on whether or not to do it, but I convinced her to go for it. Can you lean uphill as you're coming down? So,
This way.
mm-hmm. You want to slide down the board, not tumble. Get you another inch or two, probably. Now if you can get up to that armrest. Use those arms. I was going to tell you to put the hand on the wheel right there, so you'd already figured it out. Pretty good.
Sometimes you gotta try stuff.
Good news, everyone. I'm out. Madison picked me up. I got out a week early on good behavior. So